forgot the other helmet, and there it is. What's up, James? All right, guys, we got eBay breaks for July the 18th. Is that what today is? I think so. We got 2 Gold Rush mini helmets and 4 boxes of Allen and Ginter. All right, guys, let's start out with the mini helmets tonight. And we'll just break the cards when we get there. Last time I tried to bust some of those first, and they kind of got in the way. All right, so first up, we got Gold Rush mini helmet 2-box break number 2. Sean with the Rams, Jets, and Titans. Matt with the Chargers. Jeffrey with the Chiefs. Dustin with the Jaguars. Joey has the Vikings. Adam has the Dolphins, Bengals, Falcons, and 49ers. Lynn Beckler with the Colts. Sandra with the Texans and Bills. Michael with the Packers. James Gordon, Saints, Browns, Bears, and Giants. Corey has the Cowboys and Bucks. Joseph with the Lions. Ryan with the Patriots. Justin with the Broncos. Jeffrey T with the Panthers. Michael Vivian with the Ravens. Joe P with the Cardinals. Dee with the Raiders. Austin with the Eagles. Gil with the Steelers. Olivia with the Seahawks. Douglas with the Redskins. So those are your spots for the helmets. Good luck, guys. Helmet number 1 is a Packers, and that is a Sterling Sharp. Sterling Sharp for the Packers. Michael E. Beckett witnessed. Sticker on the back. Get your Beckett certificate inside the box. Sterling Sharp for the Packers. And box number 2. How about Andre Bad Moon Rising? Andre Rising got the Bad Moon inscription. Black helmet, silver ink. Falcons, Adam McCurdy. Back-to-back nights in a row you won a helmet, Adam. Sterling Sharp, Andre Rising, Falcons and Packers taking down the helmets. All right, Gold Rush. Not Gold. Jesus, Pete. Gold Rush is what we just did. Allen and Ginter, 1/3 case break number 2 from eBay. Continuing the case we started last night. 4 more boxes tonight. We had the box topper rip card last night, but no rips from the regular packs. So we still should have 2 of those somewhere in this case. These are the next 4 boxes. That's 2 pretty good pass catchers we got there on those helmets. Both those dudes were good for a long time. We haven't hit a Blaze helmet in a while. I feel like we are due one of those coming up pretty soon. Guess we could go over the spots for Allen and Ginter. We have Nick with the Mets and the Yankees. Ben with the Twins, Diamondbacks, Nationals. Brian S., Brewers. Andrew Chavez, Angels, and the non-team. Brandon English, Dodgers and Orioles. Adam, Tigers, Royals, Marlins, A's. Anthony, the Astros. Corey, the Phillies, Indians, and Cubs. Ramon, the Pirates. Richard S., the Rockies and the Reds. Robert, the White Sox. James Hunter, the Red Sox and the Rangers. James Gordon, the Braves and the Cardinals. Spencer, the Padres and the Mariners. Joseph, the Giants. Poet, the Tampa Bay Rays. And Ross, the Blue Jays. That's funny, Eric. You know what I remember him for? I remember him when him and Dion got to throwing blows in the middle of the field after Dion left there. All right, first box is ready to go. Here we go, guys. Should have learned this from last night. I need more space over here. Got too much junk. Camera's tilted up a little bit. Let's tilt it down. There is a Jose Canseco short print mini for the Rays. First hit is a relic for the Red Sox, Jackie Bradley Jr. Short print Tiger Mask. Lou Gehrig mini. Second hit goes to the Rangers. James Hunter, hogging all the hits, man. Kiner Falefa, framed mini auto. We had the 1/1 base card of him last night. Framed mini auto for the Rangers. Hey, see how easy it is, James? You get two teams, you get all the hits. That's how this hobby works. We all wish it did, anyways. Vlad Jr. base. And a relic for the Rockies. Trevor Story. Box topper from box number 1. Jose Altuve for the Astros. The rip card last night? No, we didn't open it. He chose not to open it. I think it's actually worth pretty good money not opened. Lindor, box topper for the Indians. I think those box topper rip cards like that are actually really hard to hit. I think they're all numbered to only 65. The rip cards are all on the checklist. I don't know if there's non-team rips. I would think yes, but I don't know that for sure. If Jeremiah Poet's in here, he probably knows the answer to that. There are some really, really cool non-team hits on the checklist. I just don't know if there's any non-team rip cards. Yeah, I saw that too, Brandon. There's one just like that box topper rip we got last night listed for $600 right now. I don't think it'll sell for that, but it's listed for that. Yeah, I know you can get like dinosaur bones. There's like whale bones, all kind of crazy stuff on the 9-team hit list. There's President relics, which will be super cool. There are cut autos. There's a cut auto of Robin Williams. All right, box number 2, guys. Here we go. Short print mini, 9-team. Hillary Knight. Chipper Jones mini. Collectible Canines mini. Crossbow. Relic for the Red Sox, Porcello. Rick Porcello for the Red Sox. And a framed mini relic for the Astros, Jeff Bagwell. Ray Butcher, short print mini. And there's hit number 3 from the second box, Mark Summers relic. So that box, all 3 hits were relics. No autos in box number 2. Box number 3. Christian Yelich, box topper. Yep, Mark Summers back again tonight. I haven't done a pack wars with this stuff because there's not really any not enough numbered stuff in it, but I've seen another guy doing pack wars with it where they just do like the lowest numbered base card wins the box. So we may could try that instead of our usual way of pack wars. Yeah, we saw Mark Summers last night, and we ended up having a pretty good break. So hopefully that's a good sign for the rest of this break. Alrighty. Box 3, here we go. Short print mini, Michael Kopech for the White Sox. Whoa, and there we go, rip card. Corey McLean, rip card for the Indians. 8/75, Francisco Lindor. Corey McLean, rip card for the Indians. And our other two hits from this box, we have the Rip card. We have a framed mini relic. Andy Pettitte, Yankees. And we have a relic, Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. Box topper for the Cubs, Kris Bryant. What's up, Jason? The Packers helmet is Sterling Sharp. Sterling Sharp, and the Falcons helmet was Andre Rison. Alrighty, fourth box. Mark Summers, short print mini. Andrew McCutchen, short print mini for the Phillies. Oh, get back up here. First hit of this box is a bat relic, Trey Turner for the Nationals. Relic for the Brewers, Arcia. So Eloy Jimenez, base rookie. These are short prints. There we go for the 9-team framed mini auto, Dan Rather. Dan Rather, last hit of the night. All right, guys, let's recap these hits. Dan Rather, framed mini auto. We got Arcia relic, Trey Turner bat relic, Syndergaard relic, Andy Pettitte framed mini relic, Rip Card, Francisco Lindor, Mark Summers relic, framed mini relic, Jeff Bagwell, relic, Rick Porcello, relic, Trevor Story, framed mini auto, Kiner Falefa for the Rangers, and a framed, a relic for the Red Sox, Jackie Bradley Jr. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for filling that up. All right, Boom Sun on Dan Rather. We can Boom Sun. What is he on the evening news? Boom Sun on the evening news. Dan Rather. We'll give the Rip Card a little Boom Sun too. Those are nice. There you go, guys. Thanks so much for taking those spots. Appreciate you guys filling that up. And I will see you guys later.